Hi guys, this is Mona, and in today's video I will be trying to help new moms or moms to be or the breastfeeding moms. So let's get started with the tutorial, and I will be making a t-shirt for breastfeeding mom. So you need two t-shirts, doesn't have to be identical, but if you do, that's great. But if you don't, then you can mix and match colors or patterns, or you can use the printed fabric and solid colors together. Just make sure your fabric has to be stretchy. So first I am marking on the 15 inches from the shoulder, and I'm going to mark on both sides to make it straight line, and then I will be cutting one piece from the front of the t-shirt. And this is how it's supposed to look like. I am using the used t-shirt, that's why the proportions are a little out, but that's okay, it worked for me. Now I am measuring that how long I want my t-shirt for to cover up from the bottom to the breast part. So here I am marking on 16 inches. This is where I am comfortable, but you can mark it on 15 inches again. Just make sure your bottom part has to be 3 to 4 inches extra than your, the top part, to cover your breast properly. So now I marked on 16 inches and create a straight line, and this is how I am cutting my fabric. So this is how it looks like so far. So this is the front side of the fabric. Now I am going to cut about 0.75 inches from both sides, because I have to finish off the raw edges like this. And same thing I will do on the other fabric as well. And after that, this is how it's supposed to look like. Basically I just sew the raw edges, and then I am going to fold my t-shirt inside out and make it flat. Now I am going to pin my fabric. First I am putting my fabric straight, because my t-shirt is out of proportion. So I am going to use my fitted t-shirts, which fits me these days. So I have like a proper fitting. This was what my brother's t-shirt, so it's really loose on me. Anyways, I straighten up the fabric with the help of iron, and then I'm gonna put my t-shirt on top of this pattern, and then I'm going to mark on the fitting lines, and then I will just basically sew it. You can wear it, and you can mark according to your body. If it's still loose around your body, then make it a little tighter. It will work if this is going to be a little tighter on your body. So this is how it's supposed to look like. And make sure this bottom part is, it has to be like 3 to 4 inches on top of your breast. All right, and this is how it's supposed to look. But if you feel it's still loose, then all you have to do, just attach the snap button or Velcro, so it would be easy for you to just when you're feeding your baby, then it would be easy for you to do it. And this is how it's supposed to look like. I'm putting on the mannequin, and you can see how it covers the chest part, and this is how it's supposed to be, like this. And you can just basically just feed your baby, and you will feel comfortable. Just make sure it's a little tighter around your body, and your fabric has to be stretchy. And that's about it for this video. Until the next time, bye.